Conservation at paglaban sa disinformation, yan daw dapat ang tinututukan sa West Philippine Sea, lalo't patuloy ang tensyon doon. Para bigyan ng mukhang balita, Mobile Journal, Merimon Reyes.
Sa 3 araw ng 2025 Dialogue on ASEAN Maritime Security, tinalakay ng 10 bansang kasapi ng Association of Southeast Asian Nations o ASEAN ang mga isyong kanilang kinakaharap. Isa na dyan ang hindi pa mabuo-buong ASEAN Code of Conduct.
When the major powers, are at peace, relative peace, and in relative balance, that's what ASEAN does well. But when the major powers are in conflict, like we're seeing now, ASEAN's divided, and to bridge that division, we need reform. And the reform runs the gamut. I think it has to be a holistic approach. They have the whole way of thinking about ASEAN.
Dito rin nalaman na base nga sa isinasagawang marine research, napakalaki ng potensyal ng ating mga karagatan. Kaya mas nagiging importante ngayon na ito'y pangalagaan.
Awareness and education, strengthening our citizen engagement, and education is key to building broad-based support for marine conservation.
Si PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, iginiit ang kahalagahan na malabanan ang maling impormasyon lalo pat patuloy ang tensyon sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya kasabay ng education and awareness efforts sa bansa, malaking bagay din daw ang nais buuin na West Philippine Sea Bloc ng Akbayan Party List sa Kongreso.
This kind of block in the lower house would allow us to have known allies that will advance our request for supporting, for example, the appropriations budget or the passage of needed laws for our fight in the West Philippine Sea. So para sa amin, this is a good news. No?
Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.